there, my name is Barbie, and I'm delighted to be here to close up the last few days of my Pachavega raw learning. I'm very excited. Today, we had the best part, we had dessert. Initially, one of the good parts was all of the delicious raw foods were wonderful ways for each of us to do a little bit of detoxification, and that's a wonderful part of the course as we learn. Also, I'm delighted to say our teacher was Danielle, and Danielle has this fabulous cookbook, Heal and Ignite, and the best part is a lot of our recipes are in there. So I would encourage all of you on your wellness journey, because that's the important part, your own personal wellness and growth, to come and sign up and have some fun with other like-minded people. And along with doing that, we learn that we are also helping our environment and the world that gives us all